So as you can see, the water coming out of our tap is awful. And luckily for us, we had a company reach out to us and gift us this Von Water 7-stage countertop reversed osmosis system. Now I'm going to go over some of the features of this actual unit itself, and then I'm going to show you what it did to our water. So the machine itself is a pretty sleek looking unit, and as you can see, it does have a very nice LED display at the front. It does have a pitcher. You can just pull this right on off. Now this is great for cooking and things like that, or just having a pitcher of water if you have a lot of people over. Once your pitcher of water is empty, all you got to do is just put it right back on the actual unit itself, and it will fill itself up all on its own. You don't have to push anything, it is just automatic. Now this pitcher is 1.2 liters, and it does have a really nice grip to it. Now the unit does have a pretty large tank on the back for you to fill the water, so you're not going to have to worry about filling it up all the time. It's definitely quite large. The back side does have the tank, and when you are ready to fill it, you would just pull this right on out. So this is your LED display here. So as you can see, it does say 67 TDS, which means we have gone from 339 to 66. That's a significant difference. So this water is definitely way cleaner. Now you can choose to pour different ounces on here, and you can go for a 5-ounce pour, 10-ounce pour, 17-ounce pour, or 25-ounce pour. And this is how you're going to control that. Now when you are ready to pour your glass, you would just hit this button here. Currently I have it on the 5-ounce marker, so we'll just hit that. So as you can see, you do have this LED light, which is your secondary protection. So not only is it going through the 7 different stages of reverse osmosis, but then as it comes out, it is getting hit with the LED light, which is just added protection. So all in all, if you're looking for a reverse osmosis machine that has a little bit more than some of the others, especially being this pitcher here, which I find to be a great addition, I definitely recommend this. It has definitely helped our water significantly.